Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It is a beautiful day here. It is 5:40 in the morning. I've been up for an hour. I'm not sleeping. We're supposed to close on the house Monday, which is in 2 days, but now it's pushed to Thursday. So June 30th will be the day we sign our papers, get our keys, and get in our new home. I'm so excited. Today we've just been selling a whole bunch of stuff. So today I have somebody coming to pick up an item. I have Jess and I are going to the house today because the builder is there, wants to show us a couple of last minute things he's done for us. We have to go to the store. We have to go furniture shopping still. We have so much to do. And before I left work yesterday, I got enough fuelings for the weekend so I could jump back on 5-in-1. And if you have no idea what the heck I'm talking about, go back and watch the video from yesterday. Was very raw, very vulnerable, and not an easy one to make, considering it's something that I talk about quite often. But I went to bed with a clear mind. I feel good about the decision. I feel excited and want to see if it helps, get through this final stage of menopause. A lot of you were saying that the soy is actually helpful. My mindset needs to be back on track. I'm hoping that this, at least gives me a kickstart. So we're going to do a weekend together. It's still a little too early for me to eat. I never eat right when I wake up. So probably about an hour from now. Sorry, guys. I'm laying here on the couch watching TV, watching some Netflix, and I think I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in it. It's going to be different than my usual sugar-free creamer. Oh, and that's true too. I don't even think you guys realize. I started back with coffee not long ago, just, like 1 cup every few days. But on like a morning like today where it's, early and quiet and I'm freezing, I really think I want to just make myself a cup of coffee. So I have some things to add, like a condiment, and so that's that. So when I make my coffee in a little while, I will show you what I have, what I put in it, and then we'll start the day with fuelings, a leaning green today. So I'm excited. 5-in-1 today. All right, guys, so here are the 2 creamers that I have in my fridge. One is my infamous International Delight. The other is a Nut Pod, and I figured I would try this out because I love the flavor. It's burnt marshmallow. Not my most favorite thing, I have to say. The calorie difference is only 10 calories for the same tablespoon. It's a nice little switch, but definitely going to be using the International Delight from now on. And here's my first fueling of the day. It is the apple cinnamon oatmeal. Interestingly enough, I mixed it with blueberry Walden Farm syrup, just like a half of a tablespoon to give it a little bit of flavor. And I really enjoyed it. It took some of that apple cinnamon flavor away and changed it to blueberry. Just thought I'd share. Guys, so we are at fueling 2. It's the creamy chocolate shake. This was the box of shakes that I had given my colleague. She gave it right back because this is my favorite one. Have my under the desk treadmill here, waiting for somebody to come pick it up. We've been doing a lot of selling, and the pod is still here. We're loading up. We're getting ready to go. We are closing in just a few days, and we're so excited. And I have to tell you guys, it's probably close to 100 degrees today. It's very hot, very humid. We had some rain last night, so it's very muggy. So this is gonna hit the spot, and so far, I'm feeling really good. My coach and her upline reached out to me. Thank you guys, you know who you are. I needed it. And check this out, I washed my hair with blue shampoo. I know this is totally off topic, but it really made the blonde quite icy. I'm happy. And what am I wearing today? T-shirt, leggings. Check it out, my sneakers. Can you see them? They match the pink shirt. Those are from Walmart. I got them, did I get them this year or last year? I don't remember. But when you take care of your things, they last. So I'm gonna wait for this girl to come pick up the treadmill. And then Jess and I are heading up to the new house to meet with the builder. See ya. Hey guys, so we're at the diner. Look at this salad, it's bigger than my entire head. We just met the builder at the house and I totally forgot to film. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We're gonna eat. I'm gonna show you Lean & Green and I'll talk to you in a couple. Home Depot run. We're going to look at fence, big shed, and outdoor furniture. So this is the outdoor set that I'm looking at here. It's by Hampton Bay. It is really nice and sturdy. Obviously not these pillows, but this is what it looks like. And then they have the dining set that goes with it, and we actually have one of these giant cantilever umbrellas. So what do you guys think? It's got the nice swivel chair for the end, and I love that the rain can go through here, and they have some kind of coating that they guarantee it doesn't rust or chip. I really like it. What do you guys think? I want to know in the comment section. Okay. Hey guys, we're still at Home Depot. Time for a movie. We're still here at Home Depot. Right, Jess? We are wandering and looking at everything. Having a blast. So we're at Quick Check for a quick pick-me-up. Caffeine-free Diet Coke.
Quick pick her up.
And now we're heading to, where are we going? Raymore?
And fart again.
We're going back to Raymore and fart again. If you don't know what we're talking about, go on my reels on Instagram, you will see. That was so funny. What are you getting?
Extreme caffeine. Okay.
This is a nice Quick Check. It's gigantic. All right, we're good?
Yep.
All right, see you over at Raymore and fart again. So we're really liking, and the color in this is not picking up, but we're really kind of liking that. There's some like camel, gray, white, or like a cream. It's really pretty, and it's super, super soft. I don't know, guys. This one may be a contender. I love that it's modern. I like the shape of it. Pretty. All right, so we are leaving Raymore and Flanagan. And of course, the one set that we love the most is, what is it? They're not in stock, and it may take almost a month to get it in. What do we do?
A lot of those orders are not committed.
That's right. So if we put 20% down, it will be a commitment, and it will move us up on the list.
Wait, 20%?
Yeah, in order to...
Oh, I thought I had to prove that I've been committed to actually order one.
Anyway, he's such a wise guy.
We had so much fun.
We
in this
did.
place. So much fun with these
We
people.
had so much fun that the woman helping us had to run to the bathroom. That's why we left.
Our job was done.
It was.
You know.
What am I having? Read this.
You know, they would have been better off giving us the floor model than listening to me any longer.
Yeah, but I don't want the floor model. Everyone was sitting on it. What am I having?
A purple Optavia bar.
Chocolate mint cookie crisp bar. And now, where are we going? Home?
Probably.
We're going home. I want to show you the mountain. See that mountain back there? That's part of our new domain.
There's many mountains. There are more popular looking mountains on the way over.
Yes, we moved up to the mountain.
But I will take any mountain.
We're so excited. All right, I'm gonna eat my bar. We'll see you home. I think I still have one more fueling to go for the night. And
there's got to be way more.
If there's anyone out there that works for Raymore and Flanagan that can get us our set sooner than a month, leave a comment below. So, it's 10 o'clock and we just got home. And I know that my house is in disarray with bins and boxes from packing. But guess what? We're grateful and we're happy. And I don't care. I'm so excited. And today went so well. I am at my last fueling. I have another chocolate shake courtesy of the girls at work who gave me back some of my fuelings to get me through until an order comes. So, with that being said, day one back on plan, feeling great, got a lot accomplished, and guess what? We can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.